What is MCP and why is everyone making a big deal about it? I'm going to explain this in the easiest way possible. You know how you can chat to AI, but it can't actually do things for you because it's not actually connected to your tools like Gmail and Outlook? Well, the solution was to connect your apps and tools together so that they can talk to each other using things like Zapier or Make. Where if you wanted to create an automation like this, like turn an article into a video, you would create potentially 3 different Zaps separately. So Zap 1 would be ChatGPT generating a script, Zap 2 would be creating a voice with 11 Labs, and then Zap 3 would be using HeyGen to create the video. But you had to create each of those Zaps individually, and they do exactly the same thing every single time, which is only use ChatGPT, only use 11 Labs, only use HeyGen. All these actions are pretty much fixed. Whereas with MCP, with just one request, it can go out and look for the best tools to use. Not just ChatGPT, but if it finds that Claude is better for this particular purpose, it will choose that instead. It chooses the best voice app as well as the best video app for this purpose. You also don't need to build out individual Zaps or workflows for this particular purpose. It just figures it out. So an analogy might be, say you wanted to create a whole outfit. You would have to go to an e-commerce store that sells only shoes, that sells only dresses, that sells only bags. You would have to check out at every single e-commerce store and go through that entire process manually. Whereas if you went to Amazon, you could buy all those things in one go, check out once. Logistics wise, it goes and collects it from all the different suppliers and magically it shows up at your doorstep. Before you say we should all be using MCP, it is not for everyone and you should only be using it if you're a developer or a builder. And if you're not technical, then you should be using Zapier agents because you'll want to build out AI workflows using natural language as opposed to code. Does that make sense? Let me know.